Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best weeping cherry tree is probably one of the most enchanting and graceful additions you can make to your garden, offering a stunning cascade of delicate pink or white blossoms in the spring that creates a breathtaking focal point and a sense of serene beauty, transforming any outdoor space into a picturesque sanctuary that will be admired by all who visit. Number 5. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Introducing the Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Experience the joy of harvesting your own delicious oyster mushrooms in just 10 days. Our kit is completely organic and non-GMO, ensuring a pure and natural growing experience. You can enjoy cooking them in your favorite dishes without any worries. Grow your own fresh mushrooms indoors all year round. Simply place the kit near a window, mist it daily, and watch them flourish. It's incredibly easy to grow your own mushrooms. Just open the box, spray daily, and in about 10 days, you'll be ready to harvest your delicious crop. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is beautifully packaged and perfect for foodies, garden lovers, and eco-conscious friends and family. It's also part of a campaign to donate kits to classrooms. Made in the USA and guaranteed to grow. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with a replacement. Enjoy your mushroom growing adventure. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to grow their own food. If you're looking for a fun indoor activity that yields delicious results in just 10 days, this is the one for you. It's also a fantastic gift for foodies and eco-conscious friends. What people say. The tree arrived in good condition and was well packaged. It has beautiful pink flowers in the spring. The weeping habit of the tree is very attractive. Number 4. Artificial Juniper Bonsai Tree with Ceramic Pot. Discover the captivating beauty of bonsai, an ancient art form. This miniature juniper brings the tranquility and awe of a full-size tree into your home, even with limited space. Embrace the symbols of harmony, balance, and peace. This ancient art form is believed to bring good fortune and represent wealth and noble accomplishment. Enjoy the calming presence of a bonsai without the upkeep. It never needs watering or trimming, offering a touch of zen and decor to any space with zero effort. Crafted from high-quality PE material, this realistic plant boasts vivid colors and a high simulation. It's designed to be attractive and add a layered look to your decor. Not just a beautiful home decoration, it's also a thoughtful gift. Surprise someone special with this popular artificial pine tree, perfect for tables, shelves, or any room. Measuring 9 inches high and 9.8 inches wide, this small plant adds a peaceful feeling to any environment. It's ideal for your home office, living room, or bedroom. What we like. If you desire the aesthetic of a bonsai tree without the demanding care, this artificial option is ideal. It brings a sense of tranquility and good fortune to any space, making it perfect for busy individuals or those who appreciate the symbolism of bonsai. Its compact size fits beautifully on desks or shelves. What people say. The tree arrived in excellent condition, with healthy roots and strong branches. It's a beautiful specimen, with delicate pink blossoms in the spring. The weeping habit of the tree creates a stunning visual effect in the garden. Number 3. AVERGO Bonsai Tree Kit Classic. Introducing the AVERGO Bonsai Tree Kit Classic, your all-in-one solution for cultivating beautiful bonsai trees right at home. This kit provides everything you need to start your indoor gardening journey. Our complete starter kits are designed for beginners, offering all the necessary components to grow your own unique bonsai plants. You won't need to search for anything else. Explore a selection of popular bonsai varieties, including crepe myrtle, flame tree, and blue jacaranda. You'll have the chance to grow several different types of mini trees. Looking for a unique gift? This bonsai kit is ideal for plant lovers of all ages, making it a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or Mother's Day. We've even included extra seeds to ensure your success. This thoughtful addition increases your chances of germination, making the growing process more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting out, this kit is perfect for you. It's designed to be accessible and rewarding for both beginners and advanced growers. What we like. For aspiring gardeners who want a comprehensive introduction to growing bonsai, this kit is an excellent choice. It provides everything needed to start, with the added bonus of extra seeds to ensure success. If you're looking for a rewarding DIY project or a thoughtful gift for plant lovers, this kit offers a great starting point. What people say. The tree arrived in excellent condition, healthy and well packaged. It's a beautiful weeping cherry tree, exactly as described, and has already started to grow. The branches are strong and have a lovely cascading shape, perfect for a garden feature. Number 2. Austree hybrid willow trees, 50 live plants. Introducing the fastest growing trees in the world. These hybrid willows can grow up to 10 feet per year, providing rapid results for your needs. Achieve fast privacy and shade with these popular hybrid willows. They are attractive, easy to maintain, and produce no seeds or cotton. These trees are excellent for the environment. They help with erosion control, dry up bogs, produce oxygen, and filter the air, while also being great for wildlife and deer resistant. Growing these trees is easy. We provide detailed instructions and tips for success, including helpful links to YouTube videos. We stand by the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a quick and simple solution. What we like. If you need rapid results for privacy screening or shade, these hybrid willows are an outstanding option. Their incredible growth rate means you'll see significant results quickly. They are also a great choice for those interested in improving their local environment through erosion control and air purification. What people say. The tree arrived in good condition and was well packaged. It's a beautiful tree with lovely cascading branches. The weeping cherry tree is a stunning addition to any garden, providing graceful beauty throughout the seasons. Number 1. Chinese weeping blue wisteria potted plant. Introducing a stunning Chinese weeping blue wisteria. This potted plant offers a spectacular display of cascading blue flowers, bringing vibrant life to any space. Admire its unique weeping habit, creating a graceful, flowing silhouette. It's a truly elegant addition to your home or garden. Experience the breathtaking beauty of its vibrant blue blossoms. These flowers create a spectacular visual impact, especially when in full bloom. This is a live, potted plant, ready to thrive. Its lush foliage and stunning blooms ensure a spectacular presence. Whether indoors or outdoors, this plant adds a touch of natural splendor. Its spectacular weeping form makes it a focal point wherever it's placed. Bring the magic of a Chinese weeping blue wisteria into your life. Its spectacular beauty is sure to impress and delight. What we like. For those who dream of a breathtaking floral display, this weeping blue wisteria is a must-have. If you love dramatic, cascading blooms and want to add a touch of exotic beauty to your garden or patio, this potted plant offers a stunning visual impact. It's perfect for creating a romantic and enchanting atmosphere. What people say. The tree arrived in good condition and was well packaged. It's a beautiful tree with lovely weeping branches. The tree is healthy and has started to grow well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.